making avocado pesto and tofu wraps. So what you're going to need some tofu. With the tofu, you must remember, it's very important, as soon as you've opened up the package, pat it dry with a tea cloth or any form of a towel and just hold it like that for a while, just to absorb any of the excess water. You're going to chop that up, and then we're going to have some veggies which we're going to stir fry. You can use mushrooms, asparagus, any veggies you like, but today we've used peppers, tomatoes, onion and spinach. And then for the pesto, the avocado pesto, you're going to need some pesto, some vegan pesto, some avocado and garlic. And then just for some spice and sauces, we have some balsamic vinegar, olive oil, soy sauce and some cumin and thyme and oregano. Your first step is going to be to heat a little bit of olive oil in a pan, and then you're going to begin sauteing the veggies and the tofu. You're going to start with your onion, once the onions are translucent, you can add the peppers and tomato, and then only add the spinach right at the end. We don't want to add too much flavor to this because the pesto is going to be our main flavor for the wrap. And let this cook down. We've added the tofu to the pan and the oregano, soy sauce. We're going to add some cumin. Thyme, and then lastly the spinach right on top, and you're going to saute this on a lower medium heat until the tofu is ready. We can leave this now to cook on a low heat, and we're going to make the avocado pesto. Now for your avocado pesto, we're going to add the pulp of a whole avocado to a food processor. About 3 tablespoons of pesto. A little bit more olive oil. A little bit of garlic. And then you're going to puree this till it's smooth. Alright, you can see the avocado pesto is completely creamy and smooth, and we're going to add this to the wrap along with the vegetables and tofu. Okay, we're just going to dry fry the wraps. It gives them a nice crisp texture. You can also microwave them, but this is tastier. You don't have to put anything in the pan, just a non-stick pan, and then lightly fry the wrap for 2 minutes on each side on a low heat. Okay, now to assemble the wraps. We have our avocado pesto, our heated wraps, and our tofu veggie mixture. You're going to start with a few scoops of avocado pesto and mix it nicely and evenly. You're going to leave a part at the end open here just for the folding of the wrap. And then we add the veggies. Nice generous portion, but not too much or the wrap won't fold. Then lastly, just some salt and pepper if needed, and a few fresh spinach leaves just for that fresh element to the wrap.